In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a branded virtual background for Microsoft Teams using PowerPoint. Virtual backgrounds have become an essential feature in our online meetings, especially for adding a professional touch or simply keeping things visually engaging. So let's dive in and create a custom background that not only reflects your brand identity, but also adds a personal touch to your meetings. First, we'll kick things off by opening Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you've launched the application, create a new presentation. This blank canvas will be where we design your branded virtual background. It's a good idea to think about the elements that best represent your brand. This might include your company name, logo, or specific brand colors. Feel free to get creative with custom elements that you want to feature during your Microsoft Teams meetings. Remember, the goal is to create something that feels unique and aligned with your brand's identity. Once you've put together a design that you're happy with, it's time to save your work. You'll want to save the slide as an image file. This can be done by selecting either PNG or JPG format, both of which work well for virtual backgrounds due to their image quality and compatibility. Just go to File, click on Save As, and choose the type of image file you prefer. This step transforms your PowerPoint slide into a ready-to-use background image. With your newly created background image in hand, it's time to switch gears and open Microsoft Teams. Start or join a meeting to access the background settings. This is where the magic happens. Look for the background settings or video effects panel, which usually pops up as part of your video settings. In this section, you'll find an option to add a new background. Click on Add New to upload your custom branded background image. Once you've selected and uploaded the image you created in PowerPoint, apply it as your Microsoft Teams background. You should now see your personalized design behind you, offering a professional and branded look during your video calls. This not only enhances your online presence, but also ensures that your brand is consistently represented. And there you have it. That's how you make a branded virtual background for Microsoft Teams using PowerPoint. It's an easy yet powerful way to maintain professionalism and brand consistency in your online interactions. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to check out more tutorials for other tips and tricks. Until next time, happy designing.